Well, everybody, June's right there at the edge of the trailer, and he's watching the birds fight right now. My dogs are barking. They hear sirens. Probably another fire going on somewhere. We're so sick of fires right now. It's so hard to breathe. Let's see if I can get June to come over. For which I quit calling her a he and she's a she. Hey, June, got your nut. You gonna come over and get it? Look. Come here, June. Look, I got it. Come get it. You know you want it. Come on, June. I'm gonna wait for you. June, there he comes. Where are you gonna go, down to the ground? Why are you doing that? What are you gonna do? Come over here and come up? That'd be kind of cool if you do that. Come over to me on the ground and take the nut? That's what I'd like you to do. That'd be something new for a change. Yeah, going down. Don't know where he's going to from there, though. I cannot see him or see her. Come on, Joe. Quit saying the squirrel's wrong gender. June, where you headed off to? Well, I will take an intermission for a minute. Right now, he's drinking out of the water container over here for the bird feeder, whatever you want to call it. That's what he was doing. Hey, June, you want your nut? Look it, got it. It's right here. Oops. Look it. Yeah, I got the nut. Oh, need more water. I think the fire engine just went from behind me towards probably the highway. They've been going down that direction due to fires popping up. I believe a lot of it's arson. Well, anyway, see what June's going to do. June, I'm going to head back over here to the pole. Your feeder. Come on, June. What a trip. June. Hey. Oh, come on, June. I got your nut. Got a bunch of nuts. June. Hey, where are you going? What are you going back up there for? You know, I found out these squirrels like eating the bark off this tree. That's why they're around here quite often. Sometimes they'll eat a big old limb off and they'll fall off into the garden. Almost had one time last year before this garden was even here. Had one hit me right in the head. Well, anyway, I don't know what she's going to do. He's on the others. I better come out of the focus here because I keep losing where he's at. She's at, I mean. I better get that straight. I know she's up there behind that limb right there. Probably going up way up there. I'd sure like to know where her boyfriend is at. He has been around for, I don't know, 3-4 days now. Hope he didn't go out towards the road and get squished. I haven't seen nothing out there, but we do have a lot of scavengers. There goes June going up there. Where you going, June? You can come back over here. Well, anyway, we'll try this again later. Everybody have a good day.